name is Olivier Lebrun. I'm Product and Application Specialist for Chopin Technology. Today we will see how to run a test using an SRC Chopin 2, an instrument from Chopin brand for measuring solvent retention capacity of flowers. The SRC Chopin 2 is always composed of two inseparable parts. The SRC itself, with a touchscreen to manage preparations and realization of a complete test, and the different elements dedicated to solvent injections, shaking, centrifugation and draining. A dedicated balance with a scanner to weigh encoded tube and automatically save the mass. Additionally, the SRC Chopin 2 comes with all the accessories necessary to manage the test. 8 syringes equipped with anti-drop springs, 2 sets of 8 specific encoded tube caps, identified respectively with the letter A or B, fluoroscope and fluoroscope holder, 8 test tubes. Are not included the solvent and accessory needed to prepare them. Before to run a test, we need to prepare the correct number of tube and syringe, 8 for this demo. To prepare tube, put together lower and upper magnetic caps. Unscrew it onto the tube. Be sure all parts are clean and dry. The upper and lower caps have corresponding number. To prepare the syringe, just fill each of them with the required amount of solvent. We are now ready to run a test. To do this, check that the central switch located at the rear of the instrument is on the right positions. Then switch the unit on by pressing the Start button located on the right hand side. The device initializes and the main screen is displayed. In order to run a test, we need to configure it within the software. To do this, press Test, then New, and select the right configurations. For this demo, we will use the 4 different solvents: water, sucrose, lactic acid and sodium carbonate, 2 flowers, A and B, and 8 tubes. On the next page, we can enter the name of the first flower and its moisture content. Do the same for the second flower on the following page. If necessary, we can add comments to the test summary that appear. The next step is the flower sample preparation. This one requires 3 successive steps: weighting empty tube, incorporating 5 grams of flour, and weighting tube with flour. To weight empty tube, place the first tube with caps on the scale, close the lid, and wait until the measurement has stabilized to press the right button. Repeat this step for each tube. When all the empty tubes are weighed, we can add the flour. To do this, place the weighting tool on the scale, close the lid and tare the scale. Weigh out 5 grams of flour on the scale. The value is shown directly on the screen of the unit. Add the flour to the tube and repeat the same step for each tube. We can now finalize the preparation of the flour by weighing the whole tube plus flour. Remove the flour weighting tool from the scale and tare the scale. Place one of the tubes containing the flour on the scale and press on the right button. The scale will automatically recognize the tube ID. Repeat the measurement process with each tube. Once all the tubes have been scanned, ensure that all the flour weight fall within the range of 4.95 to 0.5 grams. Then press OK to launch the test. Then put each tube into position as shown on the screen. A green light flashes to help position each tube on the device. After each tube is put into position, move each solvent syringe into place by following the diagram shown on the screen. Color code can help you. Close the upper lid on the door and press OK. The test starts. and the instrument will automatically sequence the phase of injection of solvents, shaking, centrifugations, and draining. When the test has finished, door and lid will open automatically. Remove syringe and tubes, then start the final weighing. Place the first tube onto the scale and close the lid. When the weight is stabilized, press the right button and repeat the process for each tube. The results are calculated and displayed automatically. Before to run a new test, separate the magnetic cap from the tube and clean the cap with a damp cloth. At the end of the day, clean the instrument completely before switching it off. To turn off the device, press Tool button and press Switch off the instrument. Wait until the computer has shut down completely and press the Start button located on the right hand side of the unit. I hope this demonstration was useful. For more information about our product, please visit us at www.kpmanalytic.com. Thank you!